So here guys, I just got there from the church, Santa Cruz Church. I'm going now to Intramuros. I'll be passing on a bridge, then into Luton, then Intramuros. Intramuros is a historical place here in Manila, Spanish structures. So there's this building here. Also a very old structure, very old design. Building. So this is the back of Santa Cruz Church. The back of Santa Cruz Church. There's some park here, but it is closed. I cannot go inside. So I will go now into Intramuros, passing a bridge and a river. Just walk. So that is the back of Santa Cruz Church. The sun is very hot now. Universidad de Manila. University. The tree in the wall. That's the Bodhi tree, Pipal tree, sacred in Hinduism. Bodhi tree or Pipal tree, the same species of tree that Buddha got enlightened. It's everywhere here, tribes everywhere here. This is one also a Pipal tree. So I'm crossing the bridge now. I forgot the name of this bridge. So that's the bridge. There is the Jones Bridge. That's the Jones Bridge over there. This is the Pasig River. Going there is the Ocean Sea. So it's kilometer 2. So it's quite a center in Manila. Because kilometer 1 is in Lunita. That's the center point. Kilometer 1, Lunita. So that's the kilometer 2. Pasig River. So that building there, you see that building, that's the post office. Main central post office of Manila. Then that place there is Binondo. Binondo town. Business district of Chinese. So that's the back of Loton post office. Then the Jones Bridge there. Jones Bridge. I think there's something there, smoke billowing out. There's a fire going on there. Over there, very hot. There's a fire going there. Ito guys, so Lumboy. Lumboy yan. Duhat 3. Duhat 3. The fruit of that Duhat 3 has lots of antioxidant. Violet in color. Then that's the Pipal tree. Sacred tree in Hinduism. That's the beautiful. I don't know what the name of the tree. I think it's in the family of Acacia. Acacia. So I'm approaching Loton now. This is Loton area. We call it here Liwasang Bonifacio. Loton, Manila, Philippines. There's again the color orange tree. This one is a Nara tree. In this one, neem tree. So that's the post office building now. Caught on fire a year ago. this is the Loton Manila. That's the post office building. You see there's the cauldron there, cauldron structure. Then below is a cauldron with octagonal shape. Also there the cauldron up. Then down is the cauldron with octagonal shape. So this is the fountain now in front of the building. So over there is Intramuros. Going underpass, then Intramuros already. This is a Nara tree, a national tree of the Philippines. A very hardwood tree. No, this is not a Nara tree. Ano siya? Ano siya? Nara. I'm right, Nara. It's a Nara tree. Nara. Hardwood. This one is mahogany. Mahogany tree. Then here is a eucalyptus tree. Eucalyptus. There's a statue here, eagle statue. You see the flooring made of granite. What do you call this? Like in the pier. I'm going now into Intramuros. I will go under the underpass. Go under the underpass. There's no one here now. Usually there are people here sitting, sleeping here. No home. Street people. They just sleep there. over there is Jones Bridge. Jones Bridge, then Chinatown, Binondo. Over here is Intramuros. This is Intramuros. That's the entrance of Intramuros. So there are many Nara trees here. Nara trees, then mahogany trees. This one is Nara tree. So this is the entrance of Intramuros, one of the entrance in Intramuros. Over there is Litran, a very old university, also in Spanish era university. So I'm going in now in Intramuros. I will end this FB live and do another FB live. So this is the map of Intramuros. So I will end this vlog now. I will do another vlog.